If you are a coach, consultant, and trainer, and you are facing a problem, now it is the time to go digital. And as you know, YouTube is a demand fulfilling center. So whenever you create a content on a YouTube, you get a authority, you get a lead, you get a branding also. So if you are facing any challenge, I am here. My name is Dharmandraa Sur, and I am starting a 5-day YouTube Bootcamp. Over there, you learn from a first step, just signing a Gmail account to grow your YouTube channel and how to monetize. As you know, when you create a content in YouTube, your video was viewed by people, and when there is a AdSense is running, YouTube has given us an opportunity as a content creator to monetize our content, and many people are making millions of rupees through YouTube. So if you are sharing your knowledge, which can help you to establish your branding, your trustworthiness also, and parallelly it give an opportunity to connect or expand your market, not in a Surat, not in your particular city, but into entire world. So there are millions of people who are ready to connect with you in your own language, in which language preferable, your mother tongue, a language which is a more fluent for you, and the audience of that language are searching you. And this bootcamp is absolutely free. Every day in a bit size, I am teaching you how you can create your YouTube channel, how you can create a viral video, how you can edit the video, and what stuffing are required, what keyword and all other search engine optimization parameter you're supposed to monitor, and what are software are using which can help you to create a video behind you. I'm helping you for the creating a few animated video also. So if you are a coach, consultant, and trainer, and if you are interested that your YouTube channel is growing like a sky, then kindly register below the link, and I will invite you. And this channel and this video is absolutely free for all the people. And if you attend all the session, I give you the recording of that session also free for lifetime, and you will be connected with my community of digital marketing. And I will sharing a very important detail like Instagram hack, Facebook hack, LinkedIn hack, and to help you to establish your brand. Thank you.